Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make sprouts with black urad dal split without using a sprouts maker or a muslin cloth. I bought these loose skinned urad dal as they are a little cheaper as compared to the ones that you get packed with brand names mentioned. Well, it does not mean that loose dal and pulses are of inferior quality and the packed ones are always good. I have seen this with many brands that they claim their pulses to be of best quality and hand-picked, but you get inferior quality pulses and even stones in them. So the only thing that you can do is to check the dal and pulses before buying them to ensure there isn't any insects or other foreign objects in them. Now to make the sprouts, take the required quantity of dal. Just remember that dal will double its size once they are soaked properly. No matter from where you bought the dal, they will surely have some dirt in them, and to remove that we need to properly clean them. Add enough water and clean the dal by rubbing them with your hands. You can see water changing its color very fast. Just make sure to clean them properly. We need to keep repeating this process for 4-5 times or until we get clean water. Once water clears, you can soak them in some fresh and clean water. Remember, dal will double its size, so we need to add enough water for them to soak. I soaked them overnight, which is about 8 to 9 hours, and they have increased in size. I will rinse them with some fresh water one more time. Drain the excess water with the help of a strainer and leave in the bowl for sprouting. Just make sure that there isn't any extra water left in the dal, otherwise they will start stinking. We just need them to be moist enough for sprouting. Now I will cover and leave these for 2 to 3 hours. If you have noticed, there are 2 holes like these on both the sides, and these will help air circulation and preventing the dal from stinking. Even if you are using a plain bowl, it's completely fine. Just make sure to use a loose cover and not any airtight container. Leaving this for 3 hours. After 3 hours, I will add some water in the dal. We want the dal to retain its moisture so that it can help in sprouting. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes after adding water. After that, drain the excess water and again leave them for 2 to 3 more hours. After a total of 6 hours, now I can finally see sprouts coming. This process is a little time taking, but this will increase the nutrient value of your dals and pulses. I will repeat the same process of adding water, draining it, and then leaving them for 2 to 3 more hours. After repeating the same process for about 15 to 16 hours, here we have the perfect sprouts. So wasn't it easy? Just make sure to rinse the dal one more time before use. Drain the excess water with the help of a strainer and you are good to go. Don't think this will be a misuse of water. You can definitely make use of that to water your plants. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this simple way of making sprouts at home without any sprouts maker or muslin cloth. Very helpful. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.